Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Rattle Twist V puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Osanori Yamamoto and it is made by Pelikan. If you don't know what is Pelikan, it's a company that is based in Czech Republic and it makes amazing quality wooden puzzles. Rattle Twist V is made of two different kinds of wood. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 and the object is to take it apart and to assemble it again. Since my puzzle came to me disassembled, so I'm gonna assemble it and then disassemble again. If you like Rattle Twist V puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I'll show you how to solve this puzzle. First we have to take a closer look at these two parts and you will see that there is only one way how you can put them together. It's going to be like this. If you try other way, you're not going to be able to put them together in a nice way. So it's going to be only like this, and it seems like easy, you have to put it inside and the puzzle is solved, but no. There is a sticking out part in the frame which is not letting you put this part inside. And the only solution how to do it is following. You have to disassemble these two parts and put them in such a way that you can assemble them inside the frame. Now grab the frame, try to put this part inside. If you put it like this, you're not going to be able to put it all the way through the frame since the sticking part is not letting you do it. So if you rotate the frame in such a way that the sticking out part will go through this cutout, you will be able to put this part inside. So now leave this part inside, but not all the way, just 2 layers inside. Grab the part on the left and put it until you will see this part right between first and third layers, like this. And now you can move it up, and that's when you can move the right part all the way to the left. And now you can move the left part one step down and towards yourself, and that's when these two parts are connected and you can move them together. So now move them until the piece on the left will be only one layer out of the frame. Now you can grab this part on the left, move it this direction, and next step what you have to do is to push the right part all the way inside the frame. So as you can see, now we have only left piece sticking out, and now you have to move it towards yourself and inside, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, I've been able to put these two weird shaped parts inside. To take it apart, you have to do exactly the same steps but backwards. So first move the left piece to the left and this way. Now move the right piece all the way to the right. Grab the left piece, move it towards yourself. Now move both parts to the left until this left part will be like 3 layers out. Now you can move it this way and up, and you will be able to remove the right part. And now you can remove the left part as well. So that was the solution of Rattle Twist V. As you can see, pretty complicated puzzle, and it is pretty difficult to find this solution. If you like Rattle Twist V puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!